If you guys are holding cryptocurrency, I have a very important video for you guys so you can understand what is going on. It's just going to be straight and get to the point. So if you hold any cryptocurrency, this video is for you. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and stick around through the whole video. I got some very good stuff for you for free, of course. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, we saw there was a pretty steep crash yesterday. And right now we're bouncing up just a little bit, but we are still under resistance. So things are bearish for cryptocurrencies. If we take a look at the US dollar, which cryptos move inversely with, which means that when the dollar goes up, cryptos go down. The dollar is very strong. It's been moving. It's been pumping for weeks now, and it is likely to continue. And the dollar will go up in risk-off environments. Cryptos are risk-off, stocks are risk-off, NASDAQ is technically risk-off. And this is likely to continue pushing cryptos down. When the dollar goes up, it basically means people are selling their stocks, they're selling their cryptos, and they're holding the dollar, and they're gonna wait for a better time in the market to invest. When the dollar is going down, people are basically getting rid of their dollar and they're investing. They're putting it in stocks, they're putting it in crypto, they're putting it in gold, X, Y, and Z. If we also take a look at gold, cryptos do follow gold, actually more so than the stock market. Gold is crashing, it's correcting pretty massively from its recent high. So cryptos are, in my opinion, likely to continue heading down, but Bitcoin and Ethereum right now are attempting to bounce up. So in the immediate short term, although my longer term vision for crypto over the next several months is bearish, if we look and zoom in a bit further here, we can see that cryptos are trying to bounce up here. So over the next couple of days, this weekend or so, if we saw another pump or another move to the upside, it is not going to be out of the picture. It's not going to be out of the question. And especially for alts, a lot of altcoins have sold off massively and they are approaching strong support levels, which means that they could be bouncing here soon. But ultimately, I think cryptos are going to continue heading down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, vice versa, so on and so forth. And if we even take a little bit better look at everything here, we can see that cryptos are holding up at a very, very strong support. These supports have, especially for Ethereum and Bitcoin, about the same thing. They are holding up very strong. Look at this. There's like there's almost 20 or 30 touches at the support. We have not yet broken it. And the more time we test the level, the more likely we are to break it and to go down, which is ultimately probably and extremely likely to happen. And it's happening for Bitcoin, it's happening for Ethereum. Look at this, Bitcoin is hanging on by a thread right now. This very key support was also support over here and resistance over here. And I do believe we are gonna break down and probably test 19,000 very, very soon. Most importantly, what's realistic though, I do think Bitcoin will test these levels over here, around 24,000. We also have 25,000. These are some key levels that I think the price of Bitcoin will react with. If we also take a look at the volume, we can see that the volume is very thin, that the volume is getting lower and lower and lower. So that's why we really haven't had much big movement for the last couple of months, the last month or so. Not very big movements because volume is getting lower. We're heading into the month of May, and these are times where there's not as much liquidity in the markets as there generally is in the beginnings of years or at the end parts of each year. If we take a look at my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, we can see there is a strong sell signal again appearing, which pushed the price down, and I do believe that cryptos are going to keep trending lower over the immediate short term. But in the immediate short term, the next couple of days, if we see a pump or if we see a bounce, a short squeeze, I'm not going to be blown away by it. I'm not going to be surprised. If you guys want to have access to the most profitable trade alerts, I give you guys trade alerts every single week in my Patreon. Look, here's an alert here. This is up 26%. This was up 40% earlier before it bounced up. This is up 52%. And this one is up 24%. All these trades were actually double just yesterday. when before we got into all these alerts. So if you guys want to have profitable trade alerts, access to these trade alerts, join the Patreon. You'll have immediate access. I have a free trading community in my link below. And also make sure you guys are trading over on Bitkit. It is where you just saw me post those trades, show you my active current trades, and it is the best trading platform out there, period. You can claim up to $30,000 through a deposit bonus by just opening up an account. And I'm also hosting a trading tournament right now. You guys need to be a part of it before the month is over with. If you place a couple of trades, you can put yourself in the top 3 spots where you can win up to $10,000. And anyone who participates, you can win up to $200 per free guaranteed. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I'll see you later.